Welcome to AlphaCars Motorcycles. My name is Ian, and today I have this 2006 Honda VTX1300R motorcycle to share with you. This Honda is in very nice condition for the age and the low mileage. It is available at the date of this video posting here at AlphaCars. You can view the detailed listing on our website, and the link is at the top of the description below. You can view the pricing there as well, if it is still available. This video is going to be a thorough condition overview, and we'll even start it up and see it in action to confirm the operation. If you are interested in this bike, but you're not local here in New England, we offer vehicle transportation, so contact our team and we can go over those options with you. With all that being said though, let's get into the video. So as we noticed already walking around the bike a little bit, it's in very nice condition. It has 9,800 miles on it, which I would consider low for a bike of this style. We did some extensive market research, and most of these on the market have 20 to 30,000 miles or more on them. People love these bikes. They're pretty easy to handle for being a bigger cruiser with a 1300 cc V-twin. And bike has a lot of power, a lot of torque, around 70 horsepower and 90 foot-pounds of torque. And yeah, it's a very smooth, fun machine to ride. We did road test it, it rides great. And I will get into some of the mechanical items later in the video. And you can view all the specifics of those items on our website as well. But first, touching on the condition, let's do our inspection here. It does have a few cosmetic imperfections here and there, just due to the age and being around a little bit. So there's a few little scuffs here and there in certain places. You can see a scuff sort of right here. And overall, the chrome and aluminum looks great. A little bit of pitting and aging on a few things, but check out the chrome on the headlight bucket and the forks here. That looks pretty good. This bike does have an LED headlight bulb. It has some nice accessories as well. On our listing on the website, you can view what these accessories are and their value, but they have, this bike has, the hard saddlebags on the back, which are lockable. And it has a windscreen. These nice grip covers, kind of like soft touch foam grip covers. And this backrest / luggage rack. So some real nice quality accessories on this bike. Back to the condition. Rear fender is really nice. There is the little scuff on the edge right here, but the pinstriping, the gold pinstriping, the contrast to the color, which is a lot of metallic flake, it's like a candy red. It looks great. A couple little scuffs in the surface right here, and there's a little one right here. At certain angles you can't see it, so I'm trying to pick the right camera angle. But on the engine, all the chrome on the engine looks really good. The controls look really good. We've got the heel toe shifter. It does have 2 factory Honda keys with it. The seat is in very nice condition as well. It really speaks for itself. It's been very well preserved. And the pipes, let's take a look at these. No scuffing on the edges or anything. Same thing with the edges of the footboards. There's no scuffing or indication the bike may have been tipped over. Same thing with the saddlebags. All the edges of the saddlebags look great. And we can, let me open one of these up for you. Just push on the lock right there. The bike does have a, looks like a cover that comes with it, but you can see the nice rubber seal and plenty of room in here. So let me put this cover back in here, and that latches nice and smooth. So now that we've gone around the bike and given you a thorough look, let me start it up, turn the ignition on. You can see there, 9,815 miles. Starts right up. Very smooth running bike. V-twin sounds awesome. So now that we've got it running, let's see it in action. And now that we've seen it in action, I want to say a thank you to Grisha for riding it around for us so I could film. Let's finish out the video. So the only thing I want to disclose is the tires. They do have some old date codes. They're like 10 years old or a little older. The bike still rides smooth. We did do the road test, and I may have mentioned it before. You know, the bike rode great, but there is the sign of aging on the tires, and that is something we would recommend the next owner to get taken care of during their ownership. We can do that here at AlphaCars as well. So if you are interested in the bike and interested in having the new rubber on it, just talk to our team and we can get you the pricing for that. But we have priced this bike accordingly with the current condition it's in. But the brakes work great. They're very smooth. They have good life left. And yeah, the clutch grabs nice and smooth. You saw how smooth Grisha was riding it. It's an exceptional bike, just needs a set of tires here coming up shortly. But with all that being said, I want to thank you for watching this video. Do check out the listing on our website. If you have any additional questions, you can reach out to our team. This has been Ian reporting from our Boxborough location. If the video was helpful, please leave a like on it and be sure to subscribe so you don't miss out on the latest motoring content.